Get the freshest kebabs right here.
How much for this plate?
Only 50 rupees. Coming right up. How many samosas would you like? Give me 2 kebabs and a plate of chaat. Make that 3 samosas for me. Careful, it's filling. Here is the spicy one. Wow, the flavor just burst in my mouth.
Walk on any busy street in Pakistan and your senses wake up instantly. The sound of sizzling oil, the smell of spicy sauces, and the sight of crowded food stalls pull you in without asking. Street food in Pakistan is not just food, it is culture, comfort, and happiness served on a plate. Rich or poor, young or old, everyone stops for street food. The best part, these foods are tasty, affordable, and full of bold flavor. Let's explore 5 popular street foods in Pakistan that people love across the country. 1. Golgappa Pani Puri. Golgappa is the king of Pakistani street snacks. It is small, round, and full of surprises. A crispy hollow ball is filled with spicy water, chickpeas, potatoes, and tangy sauce. One bite and your mouth explodes with flavor. You will find Golgappa stalls in every city: Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, and small towns all love it. The water can be spicy, sour, and sweet. People often stand in long lines waiting for their turn, laughing and teasing the vendor. Golgappa is not eaten slowly. You put the whole thing in your mouth at once. That is the fun. It is messy, exciting, and unforgettable. 2. Chaat. Chaat is a colorful mix of flavors and textures. It usually includes boiled potatoes, chickpeas, yogurt, chutney, spices, and crispy toppings. Every chaat plate looks different and tastes unique. There are many types of chaat in Pakistan. Aloo chaat, dahi chaat, and chana chaat are very popular. Some are spicy, some are sweet, and some are extra tangy. People love eating chaat in the evening. It is a perfect snack after work or school. One plate of chaat can change your mood instantly. 3. Bun kebab. Bun kebab is often called the Pakistani burger. It is simple, filling, and full of desi taste. A spicy patty made from lentils, potatoes, or meat is placed inside a soft bun. It is topped with onions, chutney, and sometimes an egg. You will find bun kebab stalls near bus stops, markets, and colleges. Students especially love it because it is cheap and tasty. The real magic of bun kebab is the chutney. Each vendor has their own secret recipe. One bite and you know why this street food is loved by millions. 4. Samosa. Samosa is a golden triangle of happiness. It is deep fried and filled with spicy potatoes, peas, or minced meat, crispy outside and soft inside. Samosa is perfect with green chutney or ketchup. In Pakistan, samosas are eaten at tea time, offices, homes, and street corners all serve them. During Ramadan, samosas become even more popular at iftar. Hot samosas fresh from the oil are hard to resist. The crunch, the spice, and the warmth make them a street food favorite. 5. Nihari. Nihari is not just food, it is an emotion, especially in the morning. This slow cooked meat curry is rich, spicy, and deeply flavorful. It is usually eaten with naan and garnished with ginger, lemon, and green chilies. Nihari stalls open early in the morning. People sit on small stools, eating and enjoying hot plates of nihari before starting their day. Karachi and Lahore are famous for their nihari spots. Though it is heavy, people love it because of its deep taste and tradition. Nihari brings people together, especially on weekends and special days. Why Pakistani street food is
How many
so
samosas would you
special?
like? Give me 2 kebabs
Pakistani
and a
street food is made with love,
Make us 3
experience,
samosas
and
more.
bold
Get
spices.
the freshest
Vendors
kebabs right here.
learn recipes from generations.
How much
They
for this
cook
plate?
in front of you,
Only 50 rupees.
adding
Coming right up.
flavor by hand, not
Careful,
by
it's filling.
machines.
Here is the spicy one.
Street food connects people. Friends
Wow, the
share
flavor
plates.
just burst in my
Families
mouth.
talk together. Strangers talk while waiting for food. It creates small moments of happiness in busy lives. From crispy golgappas to comforting nihari, Pakistani street foods offer something for everyone. These foods are more than snacks. They tell stories of tradition, struggle, and joy. If you ever walked the streets of Pakistan, follow the smell of spices. You will find not just food, but the heart of the nation on the roadside stall. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.